Also, Curtis, I don't think you're still in Mexico, are you?
I am not.
Yeah,
I got back in like August.
Yeah, exactly.
Shit, if I was still there, that's a long ass vacation.
Yeah, right? Oh shit!
My God. I'm trying to do a poop, damn it.
Bro got misfired.
I know. In between the legs too, it didn't feel good at all.
Bro thinks he can do stuff to the Mega Man main. I know the tricks.
He really does. He even beat me in a 1v1 against Mega Man. As Mega Man did those.
Oh shit! That wasn't for you!
Why is it one stock? You try kicking that shit again.
Maybe. Like that.
Yeah.
Toria! Toria!
Oh my fuck, I tried going for the side B.
Oh, I was hoping he'd get greedy again.
Oh my fucking god.
Am I distracting you, Curtis?
No, the fucking controller ain't working.
Oh shit, he remembered the side smash. Oh! Fuck, he got him again!
God damn it.
Ow!
You son of a...
Oh shit! How many of these am I getting? I think that's my 7th one now, this match alone. Random bullshit go! No! Oh.
God!
Have I killed you every time with one?
Yeah! Damn.
Yes. Luigi. I can't believe I got Curtis every time. That's the worst part. That's the worst part too. Man got hit by every single one of them. That
Fucking bullshit.